I'm Megan, and I'm the Community Health Nurse at Splatsin Health Center. As most of our community has received the COVID-19 vaccine in March, I know we all feel as though we can breathe a little easier knowing that our most vulnerable and elderly are protected. However, it's really important to know that no vaccine is 100%, and there are continued efforts that we need to do to make sure our loved ones are safe. The Moderna vaccine, which is what we gave in March to our community, is about 90% protective after the first dose. This means if you received the vaccine in March, you are 90% less likely than someone who wasn't vaccinated to get COVID-19 if you come in contact with it. This is really good news because it means you're less likely to get it, it means you're less likely to pass it on, and it also means you're way less likely to get severely ill or die from COVID-19. However, it is still possible to get COVID-19 after you've been vaccinated, and if you do, there is also the chance that you could pass it on to someone, especially if they haven't been vaccinated, for instance, our children. This is really important to know because moving forward, we need to continue on our efforts to make sure we're keeping community safe, and that means following the public health orders, which right now includes avoiding all non-essential travel. It also means avoiding gatherings, and if you are going to gather, making sure you're gathering outside. And it also means making sure you're still getting tested if you get sick. There are lots of tools that we have to make sure that we're protected, like we've always been talking about, washing our hands really well, covering our coughs, not touching our faces, and making sure we're sanitizing, as well as wearing a mask whenever we can. These things will all be important moving forward until most of the population has had access to the vaccine. We know that these restrictions make it really, really hard to do culturally safe and traditional activities such as gathering and other traditional things, but it is really, really important to make sure that we keep each other safe right now and continue on with protecting each other from COVID-19. As always, your health is really important to us, so please call the health center if you have any questions about your health or about the vaccine, or if you need some mental health support right now during the week between Monday and Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. Thank you very much.